Now I invite Ms. Maha Ibrahim AlQernas, GM and VP Zain KSA, to deliver her keynote entitled Best Practices for Delivering Successful Digital Transformation Programs. Welcome on stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great pleasure meeting all of you in Telecom Review. Welcome. Please allow me to walk you through the best practices that we have followed in Zain KSA, which enables us to do the successful delivery of the digital transformation. As you may know that Zain KSA is operating with 7 commercial footprints in the region, mainly in the Middle East and in Africa. And in Zain KSA, we are serving more than 8 million subscriber base, and we are having the largest 5G network in Middle East, in Africa, and in Europe. And alhamdulillah, we are serving more than 60% of the population with the 5G network. And alhamdulillah, we've been recognized with the best 5G network and data performance, and this really enables Zain and strengthen our position and competitiveness in the ICT sector. Our vision in Zain KSA is to become a truly digital telco operator. And this is being an extreme challenge for us. But from that point of view, we have decided to invest a lot on the digital transformation, as well as to support the telco growth and the evolution, and to support the business aspects and the growth when it comes to addressing the business verticals from that aspect. And what we have done, alhamdulillah, that we have supported a lot of digital moves where we achieved the fintech, and to provide more reliable digital telco services in that perspective. The transformation goal was extremely important for us to enable Zain to come up with the new prospects for digital and telco services in the market, and to compete in that manner as well. It also helps to put Zain in the place where it can become the partner of choice for most of the giga projects in the kingdom. And from that point of view, we have invested a lot on providing the IoT services, the 5G, and the digital transformation programs as well, to enable the digital era where the customers are heavily demanding on having the digital experience and services. As well as we have enabled the advanced analytics and robotics, and we invested in drones and in the AI as well, to make sure that we are providing the best services that matching our award-winning in 5G in the kingdom. Last but not least, we have made sure that we are fulfilling the security part, which is the main pillar, making sure that we are having a secured platform and secured data and secure data and privacy for the subscribers. I'll share some statistics when it comes to redefining the customer experience processes and journeys that we have considered in place once we have decided to introduce the 5G and how it can matches our 5G objectives. And those stats saying that most of the online retails requests are coming from from the mobile, and more than 60% of that percentage is coming from the mobile. Where in specific for the telecom itself, most of those requests being abandoned due to the customers are lacking the personalized offers that satisfy their needs and demand. And from that point of view, we assured that we are in Zain taking the right measures to redefine the customer experience to achieve the 5G in future. And what we have done is that we have launched and streamlined the omni-channel experience across all the channels, where we are providing the 360 view customer view, and we have make it easy for the customers to access our digital channels through a digital experience, as well as we have invested in the advanced analytics, where the customers are getting their personalized data and campaign offering on a real time. And this was extremely helpful for us to move on by providing the best customer and digital experience for our end users. What we have followed to enable the IT and the successful transformation journey that we have is that we have followed the approach where we simplified the IT stack and simplified the BSS architecture in general, where we used to deliver or to have the cloud native sort of implementations, as well as to support an open APIs and to enable the open connectivity with the third parties for the growth for the business. And what we have done is that we have built the product catalog, where it is the catalog for the business to utilize and to use to develop their offerings and products and services without heavily depending or demanding on the IT, on the IT. And what we also have done is that we have focused on utilizing and leverages the out-of-the-box features and functionalities, and avoid the customization as much as possible, and avoid the code changes in the system itself to assure the quick time to market and enhance the efficiency. Taking into consideration that we've been working hard to comply to the security standards. I'm proud to share with you and extremely happy to tell you that throughout the digital and the transformation journey, we've been successfully delivering our first milestone by having the complete BSS infrastructure serving our prepaid subscribers in 11 months record time, which is really amazing for such projects, because as most of you knows that such projects are taking minimum 24 months to achieve. And alhamdulillah, we could achieve it even ahead of time by putting the right team in place, by selecting the right partner as well. And in this transformation, we went with Netcracker, where we agreed, and both of us agreed, to put our interests aligned together, and we have put a strong governance in place in order to achieve this project and to deliver it as per the expectation. There are another aspects that we have considered in our transformation program, and we made it successful, alhamdulillah, by making sure that we are utilizing the out-of-the-box functionalities, we avoided the customization, and we make sure that we redefine our business processes, and we have done the processes in re-engineering and making sure that all the processes been streamlined as per our complying to the TM Forum standards. the important point also to highlight is that we have redefined and we have went through a product portfolio revamp where the simplification of the product was the key to go live with the simplified product portfolio for the product offering, which was extremely helpful for us to go live on time. As well as we have enabled the digital channel and the digital channel experience where our customers can reach us through the digital channels, through our mobile application, through the website or the e-commerce. And this was extremely helpful to have this approach in place for the quick alignment and quick go live objective. As I just previously said, that the key success factors and the success approaches that we have followed by choosing the right partner, by putting both interests in place and putting the proper governance, strong project management, and definitely having or getting the blessing and the support from the top management and cascading this support and influence the positive change of the transformation among the whole organization. And I'm sure that this was the real key and the real success for this transformation. Just when we decided to put the ego on the side and to act in a sort of a greenfield sort of mindset, this was extremely helpful for us to move on and to have the success ahead of time. I'm carrying this knowledge and I'm having this experience and I'm sharing with you guys what we have done because I really know how important is such transformations for most of you. And I know maybe most of you are in the process of such transformations or some of you are planning to have the transformation in future. And I'm sure that such information is extremely helpful for you to consider where out of the box has to be extremely followed and to avoid the customization as much as possible, having the proper organization there in place, having the right support and the positive influence among the organization are the key success factors for having such transformation. I will be available to answer any question or to support in terms of the transformation and the delivery topic. And thank you so much for your time. Thank you.